current position is quality manager at Prima Dental. Daily life is managing the QA department, ensuring that the goods coming into the company are of the correct standard. If the quality is poor, the company's not going to be seen in a good light, so we're trying to maintain our image and our reputation. I started my career in aerospace. I started off in the Air Force and then moved around various aerospace companies. There's a lot of transferable knowledge with quality systems and improvements. I enjoy working at Prima. It's a fast-paced environment, there's lots of change. No 2 days is the same, there's always a different challenge. It's due to our growth and how successful we are. Personal growth at Prima has been brilliant. I have regular one-to-one meetings with my line manager where we can discuss my needs, the business needs. I raised that I wanted to go on the ISO 13485 lead auditors course, and the company gladly put me on it. Career progression has been fantastic. We've seen lots of cases where you start off on quite a basic position and move up to machine inspectors to machine setters. It's quite encouraging to see that commitment to new starters. It's a very, very friendly environment. People go together for walks around the block at lunchtime, they eat together in the canteen. There's not only friendships within work, but it's also outside of work as well. I'm proud to work with them. They're all very passionate about what they do. I think we're all aligned on the same vision. So if you have the drive and passion and the focus on quality, Prima certainly gives you the opportunity to make a difference.